You spend a lot of time thinking rather than acting. Let me share some thoughts with you as to why this could really derail your sales success. There is this situation that happens in many sales reps' days where they're about to take an action, but then they pull back and then they start thinking about it and thinking about it some more and thinking about it some more. This is what I like to call overthinking. I remember reading the book Selling from the Inside Out by Thomas Redmond Jr. I thought it was a great book, and I learned a lot from it. And I met Thomas in person and learned a lot from him personally as well. But there is one section of the book that I want to highlight today that's so important. He talks about this rep who will wonder if they should send the email today because, well, tomorrow's a holiday, and if I send it today, they've probably checked out already, and so they won't look at the email. Then the holiday comes, and they won't look at the email. Then it's the weekend, and they definitely won't look at the email. Then it's Monday, and my email is probably going to get buried by all these other emails. So they go through these mental gymnastics, second guessing whether they should just act. This is so common, right? We hesitate and overthink before we're about to call somebody who represents a really great target prospect for us, but might be a little intimidating to us. So we overthink the process rather than just following what we know we should do. We all have plans of action. We can get in our own way and stunt our own progress and success when we overthink our actions. Follow the plan. Don't undermine yourself. Don't second guess yourself. That's when you get yourself into trouble and your competition will actually lap you. Your competition who follows the plan, takes action, doesn't overthink it, doesn't care that tomorrow's a holiday, doesn't care that they just left a message 2 days ago, doesn't care that this is the fourth email, doesn't care that this person is a CEO and they're not. They just take action and follow the plan. They prepare for appointments like you should do, and they go in confident that they're following their plan. They know that it's not going to work out every time. We never make 100% of our goals, but they know that if they take action more often than their competitors, they're going to win more often. And their competitors will be stuck overthinking and wondering about what they should do next while they're lapping them. I want you to be the person who's lapping your competitors because you have a plan and you follow it. Doesn't matter what day of the week it is, what time of day it is, what title the person is. Just follow the plan. Until you know that it's time to edit the plan, follow the plan. I hope this helps you. I know that there are times when you fall prey to overthinking. Catch yourself and just jump right back into action, because action will always get you the results that you want, whereas inaction never will. I hope this has helped you. Where do you overthink? When do you fall prey to overthinking? I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. As for me, it's often the follow-up. When it comes time to follow up the fourth time or the fifth time, that's when I start going into an overthinking process. So I'm susceptible to it too. We all are. But talking about it, addressing it, helps to change. So I hope this video has helped you. Like it, comment on it, and share it with someone else who could be helped. And of course, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do. And last thing, don't overthink investing in my sales course, right? There's a lot of information on the sales page that is pretty compelling, pretty convincing, I hope, because I put a lot of time and effort into developing this program to help accelerate your sales success through the rest of this year and into next year. I have a 45-day guarantee, so there's no risk on your part. Invest, try it out. If you don't believe that this course it was a great investment, then let me know, and I'd be happy to refund you. All right, and I won't even overthink it. All right? Thanks for being here. Best wishes to you.